Hi guys, this is 2012 Subaru Impreza. So I'm going to do today adjust for the rear handbrake shoes. It's a handbrake shoes is located inside is the rotor. So we can adjust this hole. This need plug off. You can put the screwdriver in. Can adjust it. So I'm going to show you how to adjust for the inside and this the brake pads. Take it out. Okay guys. We're going to off this rubber grommet out. This the grommet, the rubber plug. You can see in here. You can see in here middle. So the brake adjuster is going upward like this way. You can adjust and go down. The backward is getting loose. So you can see the adjuster in here. So that one we need to adjust. Put the screwdriver. Okay. Get the two 14mm bolts. Take it out. Yeah, so you can see the brake pads. Take it out. Okay, so pads. So then I off these two 14mm bolts. Okay, take it out to 14mm bolts. That's a caliper. Okay guys, we're going to take it out the rotor. Okay. This rotor, take it out. So you can see the brake shoes, the handbrake shoes. All right. So I'm going to clean the shoes. So you can see the adjuster in here. So this is the adjuster. We put it this way. It's getting loose, and we put it upward. They can adjust the shoe. Okay guys, you know now is where's the adjuster. Adjuster is located in here. So I'm going to put back the drum. Okay. We put the rotor in, turn this way, and we know in the adjuster in here. Then we're going to put the upward little bit notch. This is rotating these rotors now. So when you put the handbrake up, okay, it's getting locked. You can now cannot turn. Okay, now full tight this side. Now little bit two notches back down. Okay, now you can see the turn. It's all good. You can hear the noise touching the brake shoes. So that's enough. So now to put back the grommet. all good. Okay guys, we're going to check the handbrake. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. There's a 6 notch, that's enough. So all good. Okay guys, finally I'm putting back all the things together. So now you know how to adjust the rear handbrake shoes. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.